Good morning and welcome to Fitu's Thai Kitchen. So here we are, it's another glorious day and we've got another special dish for you today. This is Pad See Yew noodles. So we're going to do this today with beef. This is another one of those noodle dishes import that came with the the mass immigration of Chinese nationals. So this dish very similar to Kway that you get in Malaysia and some in China. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Check out the description for more details. And if you like the sound of these noodles, which are really good, stick around. Hi everyone, so here are the ingredients. Got 100 grams of 10 ml dried noodles. So you will need to soak these in cold water for about half an hour before using. 100 gram of beef sliced thinly. 2 cloves of garlic. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Then over here we have a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and about 50 to 100 grams of spring greens. Add or subtract as you like. And we've got a single egg. Boil the noodles for a couple of minutes just to make them a little bit soft. Start to heat your oil. Garlic in first. Then put your beef. Take your noodles out of the hot water and leave to drain. Add your egg and stir it in. Put your noodles in. Keep noodles moving, don't let them stick to the wok. Put the light soy sauce in. And your oyster sauce. And then your dark soy sauce. And your sugar. It's a fine line between wok hei and burning the noodles, so just keep an eye on it. Add your spring greens. And that's it. Beautiful.
Okay, today I'm going to test this Pad See Yew, but I didn't cook this one, but I taste and let you know how the taste like. Okay, first I use the chopstick. Okay, beef. I taste the beef. So tender. And the taste is fantastic. And the noodle, very soft. And this one, very crunchy. If you like sour, you can squeeze lemon juice. If not, just leave it. Or if you like hot, you can put chili powder. But the taste is perfect to me.
Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed that, Pad See Yew Beef. Give it a go at home and let us know how you get on. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell. And then our next video is going to be sea bass nướng Manao. So that's steamed sea bass with a lemon sauce with chopped garlic, chopped chilli. It's great, really fresh, healthy, packing a big punch of flavour. So that'll be next Tuesday. Yeah. So keep yourself safe. Take care. Bye.